right, folks. So how is your New Year's resolution treating you? Remember the whole I'm going to get fit and eat right mantra you promised yourself in January? Well, it's not too late to get back on track at the Fit Brunch. Executive Creative Director of From Thought to Finish, my good friend Jackie Tyson, and co-host here on Smile Jamaica, Jackie Tyson, and the president of Jamaica Bodybuilding Fitness Association, Audrey Allwood. Morning to you both.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Welcome back to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
You are quite welcome. Miss Audrey, you done with this bodybuilding thing?
Yeah, kind of. Well, I'm not finished because I'm still there working in the
big thing now, you run the place now.
Well.
So you train at all still?
Yes, I do. I do work out sometimes, most of the times.
So what's your overall role now before you tell me about the Fit Brunch?
I'm the president.
I know, but what you're trying to do with that?
Well, what we're trying to do here is we want to take at least 30 athletes to the Caribbean Championship in Mexico.
30?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're trying to do this fundraising.
What is it? A bodybuilding competition?
Yes, it's a CSC bodybuilding championship.
Okay.
In Mexico.
Okay.
So we need funds of at least
we can win.
500,000.
500,000?
Yes, to take 30 athletes.
Hence, Fit Brunch.
Yes. And well, we have other things that we're thinking about, other fundraising. You know, because we need it. We need the money.
Oh, you need the money?
Yes, we do.
All right, so what is the Fit Brunch about before Jackie tell me what she's involved in here? What is the Fit Brunch about now?
Well, you know that most people think that eating healthy is boring. So what we're trying to do here is and they think that there's a lot of restriction, you know, dietary restriction. So we're here with Jackie's expertise. We're here to show them that it can be tasty, exciting, and fun.
What you going to show them, Jax?
Well, basically, you know, I learned the hard way, although I'm a chef, that it's not about what you eat so much as how much of what you eat. And it's eating healthy and eating fit is about a good balance. You need some fats, you need some carbs, you need some proteins, and of course, we do need all. One good trick is make your plate as colorful as possible.
Break that down now with the fat protein and for the layman.
For instance, we are oxtail country.
Right.
We're a fried chicken land. Right. You can still have that, but you do things like remove the skin from the fried chicken, trim the fat off the oxtail, reduce your quantity of ackee. If you're cooking ackee, then you don't need to put it back in the whole heap of luscious oil that we like. Yep. Your saltfish is a very good component. And of course, you know what my favorite and is the number one power food out is the jackfruit. We do it curry, and I've just done a salad. And you know, your salads can really have everything you have colorful in your fridge, from veg to fruits, cheese. The other new dietary cheese that is popping up everywhere is feta, which is a Greek cheese. So everybody's trained now from cheddar to feta. And of course,
feta is the better cheese, though. Which is what you're saying.
Put it this way: the process of making feta, as you know, cheese is made from the separation of the milk and the cream. Feta is actually made from goat milk.
Okay.
Which they say is higher in nutritious quality, less in the things that you don't want. Because when you reach a certain age, like us, you don't need milk.
Okay.
Contrary to popular belief. So what we're doing at the brunch, you're going to get your favorites. You're going to get them in the right portions. And you're going to get things like, you know, this is our saltfish salsa, which is our signature. Even going to give you pig's tail reduced in terms of fat. It's the mix. It's to eat healthy, reduce the sugar, reduce the fat, reduce the carbs, and it's finding the right amount of calories. I learned that, and it worked for me tremendously. That will enable you. So I'm saying to people, try beetroot raw. You'll be able to experience that at the brunch. You'll be able to experience smoothies as a meal replacement. Because really a smoothie is just all of this salad in a liquid form with water. Saltfish is something that we tend to put into our box. We're going to be doing saltfish in so many ways. We're going to show people we have a live station. We're going to show people grilling salmon, you know, actually chicken breast. Just the right way to eat healthy. It's not going to be that you don't get food. I want people to come. It's brunch. And you know, brunch is a heaping plate. But if you have brunch, you don't have to have dinner.
Tell me what you said at the start. You said it's not what you eat.
It's how much.
How much you eat.
Yes.
So are you suggesting that these dietary things that we've heard about and say don't eat that and don't eat that, that's not necessarily
Let me tell you, I have a different principle.
Right.
I believe in you only live once.
So eat what
And
you
if
want.
you indulge today, then you know you have to tiptoe tomorrow.
Right.
If you dance hard today, then you know you have to rest tomorrow.
Right.
And it's the same with food, and it's the same with our stomachs. We culturally and traditionally eat a very high diet in starch and protein and gravy and oil. And if you eat like that, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, of course we're going to get a little rounded. If you practice and count your calories, I never knew I'd live to see myself counting calories.
Right.
Count your calories, and if you want to lose weight, you have a certain amount of calories. Thanks to my nutrition, Donovan, you have a certain amount of calories, you have to lose. So you eat that amount to lose weight. And if you want to maintain, you eat another set. And if on the day you want, which I want you to try this, because I know you're a selfish man.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is just something that you can just have all the time. Snack. And again, it's not about eating, don't eat, it's eating a lot all the time.
Lovely jubbly. You get the last word. Where is it? How much is it? What time is it?
It's the Fit Brunch is going to be at Mona
Visitors Lodge, which is on UE compound.
Right. And
easy parking, air-conditioned dining.
And the cost is $4,000. And the time is from 12 to 3. 12 to 2.
2. We said 2, but we know we're never done.
Yeah.
We're done when you say we're done.
Right. And we want to, you can get tickets from Fit Farm Fitness Club, Totally Meal, and Jackie Tyson Conference
downtown,
Center.
yes, and Digital.
By the way, if someone can't make it but they want to support.
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can just get the ticket.
Buy the
ticket, that's
and
it.
they can also do takeout.
Yes.
All right. Executive Creative Director from Yard Style to Gourmet, Jackie Tyson, and President of Jamaica Bodybuilding and Fitness Association, Audrey Allwood. Soon come.